All right, you're starting with order of operations 0. And the first thing comes up, it says, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. That's just telling you the order to do things. P here stands for parentheses. Parentheses are the top order. Exponents are next. And then multiplication. So if you're doing multiplication, then division, then addition, then a subtraction. But multiplication, division, and addition, subtraction at the same level. So here, the first thing you do is parentheses. If you don't have nothing to do inside those parentheses, then you go on to exponents. You look for the thing that's to a power. Then next, you look for multiplication or division, whatever comes first, and then addition or subtraction. And we move, obviously, from left to right. So here, using the examples, exponent should be performed before parentheses, and that's false. Division can be performed before multiplication, that is true. Subtraction can be performed before addition, that's also true. Addition should be performed before exponents, definitely not. Which operation is always performed before exponents? Parentheses, which means you have to have something in parentheses. Which operation is always performed before division? Has to be exponents, because multiplication can be performed before addition, but not always. Which operation is the highest priority? Parentheses is the highest priority. Now, when you look at this, which step should you do first? So if we do parentheses, exponents, multiplication, and or division, and whatever. So basically what's going first is I have parentheses, which is a 5, but there's nothing to do. So I really don't have parentheses, they just happen to have them in there. This case is going to be exponents. The next problem says, which should you do first? So I have parentheses. Inside the parentheses, I have 5 plus 8, so that would have to go first, 5 plus 8. The next one, I have parentheses, but there's nothing to do inside them. There's no operation. Then I look for exponents. I don't see any exponents. Then the next thing I look for is multiplication or division. Since division comes first here, you need to do this. You need to do 8 divided by 4. This problem, again, we look for parentheses, which I don't have, then exponents, which I don't have, then I look for multiplication or division. So division is going to come first, so I'm just simplifying the whole problem, so I'm going to have 20 divided by 5, which is going to give me 4. Then 4 times 4 is 16, plus 40 is going to give me 56. Same thing here. I look for parentheses, which I don't have, exponents I don't have, but I do have division, which I'd have to do 24 divided by 6, which would give me 4. And then I'd have to do multiplication next, 2 times 3, which gives me 6. 4 plus 6 gives me 10. And that would be that whole lesson.